Pull it back, squeeze. Well guys, I picked up this cheap LED bar from a friend of mine. He had it on his JK and had no need for it, so I took it. Maybe I can, I don't know, maybe mount it up here on the little grill, or figure out some way to mount it behind the dash. I don't know. My only problem is there is a shutter back there, which might interfere with it. Only way to find out is to take it all apart. So Okay, so I had to turn the mounting points facing inside versus facing to the outside. That way they can actually reach the top of the part of the grill where I can actually drill a hole so I can mount it up, or else it wasn't gonna work. It might just work. So this one, I just drilled some holes right here at the bottom, so that the bolt just doesn't go through there. So oh yeah, we'll wash it here in a little bit. Once you get done with it, we can wash the truck. How about that?
Yeah. Let's just do it. Let's do it, Dad.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Dad,
Okay.
I just broke it.
Yeah, you did. You just broke it.
I know I can take it out. There's this thing.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
This.
So having a curved light helps you go around this part of the shutter here to clear this section. So I'm gonna drill the bolts to the top. The top cover will cover all this, so you won't be able to see those bolts. Now we just gotta lay our grill over, but we need to zip tie the wire to this here so it stays in place. Yep. You know what I need to do? I need those. Here. I need you to hold this. Actually, I need to get these off. Bless you. What are you doing?
I'm doing. Dad, I need this.
What?
Mama, I need that.
What do you need?
That.
What?
This. I need that.
Pliers?
Yeah.
Why?
Where's the pliers?
These are the pliers.
I need them.
For what? What are you doing?
I'm taking my car apart.
You take your car apart.
Yeah, let's do this washing thing. This thing.
You need to go back on here. You see one more little plastic things?
That was the thing.
Oh man, it fell in there.
It does?
Yep.
Let me see.
I'm gonna need a. Fell in that hole.
Let me see that. I can see it.
Here. See it in there? It's in there.
And there?
Yeah. Shine the light. I need a light. Shine it in that hole.
Right?
Shine it in the hole. Oh man. Success.
Me?
Got it.
How?
With all your help. Thanks.
The other one, your dad's. Those.
You want what?
Those.
You want to play darts?
Yeah.
You can't play darts.
This is dad.
No, you
This
can't.
is dad.
You're a baby.
No, there's two.
Huh?
There's one.
You're just a baby.
There's boots.
What?
Stinks.
What happened?
Boot stinks.
Who poop stinks?
Please.
The cat?
Yeah.
Oh?
Stinks.
It probably needs to be changed.
What happened?
The pressure washer, you know that thing's super loud?
Huh?
It's super loud.
Not super loud.
It is.
No, it's not. I'm seeing the water thing.
Well, we're gonna go back together. Look, we're ready to put it back on.
But I'm gonna do the water thing. I'm gonna do the water thing.
Hold on, come here. Hey.
What?
Not yet. Let me put this back together and then
That was dirty.
see if we can wash it.
This that was dirty.
And where the bolts are at. Come out the top.
That was dirty.
So the wires are tied.
This is dirty. So that put the water out.
Come here, please.
It's all dirty.
It's okay, we'll clean it in a little bit. You said-
It's not clean water.
We'll get you some clean water here in a little bit, please. Stay right here. I'm almost done, okay?
I'm
Just
done.
going back in.
Put it back in.
Going back in.
Go back in.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna go back. All this back.
You put the tools back up, please.
Yep. Done.
Okay. Where's my drill? Wait, I need that. Come on. You know where the drill? Where'd you put the drill at?
It's in here. Now where's the drill?
Well, I need the drill so I can put stuff back together. I need those too. Thank you. Okay.
I'm doing one here first.
All right. Thank you. Think you can put all the stuff away?
What's that?
The tools.
That'll be away.
Hey, did you grab a socket
What's okay?
that was on here in the ground?
Yeah?
Where'd you put it?
In there?
Same drawer?
Same room.
Yes, you did. I guess when I told you to put everything away, you put everything away, right? What happened?
Why does that work? No, let me look at something. And
got it.
to help with
You got it.
to help here, Dad. And remember,
You find the remote?
Found it.
Where is it?
Fell down.
No, he fell on your bike. Man, that's a long fall. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry, I wasn't watching you.
Good.
You okay?
What?
Almost done.
Oh my God.
Got a couple more clips.
More clips?
Gotta wire the light.
What?
I already had the wire pre-ran, so we just gotta cut this off, get some heat on here,
Put some heat.
splice it together,
Together.
and we got lights.
Those things. Those things.
What things?
Those. Those.
The take, the tube.
Yeah.
It's called an intake.
For what?
Air. Air goes into the engine. You need air.
Well, we need some. I'm not air.
You're breathing, aren't you?
Huh?
Yeah, you're breathing.
Yeah.
That's air. All right.
It's doing.
Put this on. Almost ready for some fire.
On fire? You need fire? Some fire.
You ready?
Going.
Put that on like that. All right. So now we're gonna slip this heat shrink over. Okay. Flip it over this one. Get the little torch ready. Pull it back. Squeeze. Lock it. Turn it down a little bit. We don't need it that hot. Okay. Come over here. Grab this. Kind of just warm it up a little bit. Let it shrink.
Bigger?
Take this one up.
It's making it small?
Yeah, it is making it small. So no water or nothing else gets in there. Alright, here are the lights. Stand back. Let me know if they work. Top one. Is it working?
Yeah, they're working.
Let's take a look.
Let's take it. Yeah.
Nice. Alright guys, so that's the cheap Amazon LED bar installed. Worked out pretty good. I'm just gonna tighten this up and kind of just tuck it away behind here and probably wrap it up in electrical tape so it doesn't stand out. But yeah, that's pretty simple. It looks good. Looks like it's pretty centered. Add some more lights. Can't go wrong with that. So yeah, guys, if you guys like the video, or if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. I'll answer as quick as I can. I have some other stuff coming up in the future, so please like and subscribe for notifications to let you guys know when I post new videos. So for me and Dominic, hey, tell them bye, and please subscribe.